Hi guys, so I had a few DMs about the rotations, so you have to watch the webinar if you want to understand what I'm talking about with the rotations. Whenever we've got an initial balance that is between 20 and 30 points, so today the initial balance was, I don't know if that's bang on, but it's about 23.5 points, roughly about, call it 23 points. So the initial balance was 23 points today. Whenever we've got that in the FDAX, the DAX, between 20 and 30 points, we expect a 5 rotation day. And with the 5 rotations, it can be up or down, so it can be rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't confuse this with Elliott wave. It's not Elliott wave, it's got nothing to do with Elliott wave. So basically rotation 1, rotation 2, rotation 3, rotation 4, rotation 5. There's ways to validate each rotation and know when one ends. So basically rotation 2 can't break below rotation 1, rotation 4 can't break below rotation 2. If that happens, then that isn't rotation 3. So for instance, if rotation 4 came down and broke below rotation 2, then this wouldn't be rotation 3 up here, it'd be rotation 1. So you would start the count again. Okay, so that wouldn't be a valid rotation there, and that wouldn't be rotation 2 there either. So if rotation 4 was coming back and broke below rotation 2, then that's all wrong, and then this now becomes rotation 1 and this would become rotation 2 basically. But I'll show you how to validate rotations. It's fairly simple, but it's all born out of the fact that we've had an initial balance between 20 and 30 points. So let me just zoom right in here. And the way to validate a rotation, get my pen working again. I'll make that a little bit thinner. Okay, so this here isn't a rotation because it never validated anything. Right, so we always start the count at the cash open. This is the futures hour here. This is a 15-minute chart we're looking at. So that's the first hour of futures, and that's the cash open. That bar there, the first 15 minutes of cash. That's what that blue banner there represents. So we start the count for rotations after the cash market opens. So when the market moves up here, you're thinking maybe this is rotation 1 here, but it's not, because what we need to see is price break below a green bar with a red bar. Okay, so it can't break below a green bar with another green bar. It must break the low of a green bar with a red bar to end the rotation. So that's the low of that green bar, but then we had a green bar here, and you can see the low of that bar was not penetrated with a red bar. Okay, that green bar was actually the swing low there. So the market continues to move up. So at this point here, the market is still in rotation 1. I'll just get in my pen, you can see that. So that green bar was a swing low, so it wasn't penetrated by a red bar. Okay, that low. So this is not a valid rotation. Therefore, all of this is still rotation 1 up to this point here, and that's the termination. That's rotation 1. That's the termination here because price broke below this green bar's low with a red bar, and that's what validates this now is rotation 1. So therefore, you're now in rotation 2. And you're looking for rotation 2 to terminate. Remember, it can't break below the start of rotation 1. This is not the start of rotation 1, this is the start of the futures hour. Remember, we start the counting of rotations at the cash market open, the 15-minute bar of cash market open. So this is the low of rotation 1. So as long as this market stays above this level, then that's still rotation 1 and we're still in rotation 2. Alright. So basically, you're now looking for rotation 2 to end somewhere. This is the 2-hour range high. This is the 2-hour range mid-range. So anywhere around, this is the VWAP that you're looking at just here. I don't know if you can hear a van in the background. I'm actually getting a delivery. So you're looking for rotation 2 to end very soon. And then rotation 3 has to be a new high of the day. So it has to break rotation 1's high. Now it can be by a point. Could be by 50 points, can be by 100 points, could be by 1,000 points, it doesn't matter. As long as it breaks rotation 1's high, That's all rotation 3 needs to do. Okay, so it must put in a new high of the day. And then the same again, you're looking for rotation 3 to end, and for rotation 3 to end, it has to do exactly the same what it done to rotation 1, and that's for a red bar to penetrate the low of a green bar, the last green bar. Okay, so if we see that happening, let's say there's a green bar low here, and we get a red bar penetrating that low, then rotation 3 is now ended and you're in rotation 4. And then for rotation 5, you must break above the rotation 3's high. Again, it can be by 1 point, it can be by 100 points, it doesn't matter. So you're just looking for 5 rotations, and typically with rotation 5, that is the high of the day 90% of the time on days like today. Okay, so, or the low of the day if it's a down move. In this case it's an up move. Alright, so rotation 5 90% of the time is always the high of the day. So that's basically it's just a quick video just to show you how to establish when a rotation has ended. Rotations 1, 3 and 5, you're looking for the last green bar's low to be penetrated by a red bar. So that's definitely rotation 1 now. And you're looking for rotation 2 to end soon, and rotation 3 to begin and take out rotation 1's high.